Welcome back to edquest. Here we will discuss polynomial linear regression. Polynomial linear regression using a cool example I like to call the study hour puzzle. Imagine you are a teacher and you are tracking how many hours students study versus the marks they score. At first you notice a pattern. Students who study more usually score better. But after a point, something strange happens. The ones studying 10 plus hours every day are actually scoring lower. Why? Maybe they are getting tired, burned out, or overstressed. So the data is not a straight line anymore. It's a curve. Marks increase, then flatten, and eventually drops. This is where polynomial linear regression helps. It fits a curved line instead of a straight line one and captures these complex patterns. In this scenario, the formula looks like is y is equals to b0 plus b1x plus b2x square plus b3x cube and so on plus error, where y is equals to marks and x is student studied how many hours. Polynomial regression helps us model situations where relationships are non-linear but still predictable. So that's the study hour puzzle solved with polynomial linear regression. Next time you see a curved pattern in your data, think polynomial. In our next video, we will do the hands-on for our ice cream consumption prediction. Thanks.